Introducing the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher, a compact, efficient, and stylish solution for effortless dishwashing. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Designed in a sleek whole black finish, this Energy Star portable dishwasher is perfect for small kitchens, apartments, offices, or dorms, offering big performance in a small footprint. With a 6-place setting capacity, it's ideal for singles, couples, or small families. You can easily fit dishes, cups, and utensils for a complete meal in one load. Despite its compact design, it delivers full-sized cleaning power, saving you both time and effort every day. The COMFEE features 8 washing programs including Heavy, Normal, Baby Care, ECO, Glass, Speed, Rinse, and Mini Party. The Baby Care mode ensures hygienic cleaning for baby bottles and dishes with high-temperature sterilization. The Eco mode saves both water and energy without sacrificing cleaning performance, while the Speed mode gets lightly soiled dishes clean in just around 45 minutes. As an Energy Star certified appliance, it's built to be eco-friendly and cost-efficient. The quiet operation keeps noise levels low, making it perfect for small spaces or shared living areas. Plus, the LED digital display and intuitive touch controls make it simple to operate. Installation is quick and hassle-free. It easily connects to most standard faucets with the included adapter, so no plumbing setup is required. The removable filter and stainless steel interior make cleaning and maintenance simple. With its elegant black design and compact build, the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher combines modern style, energy efficiency, and performance in one convenient appliance. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking to save time, water, and energy while keeping dishes spotless and hygienic. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.